how do you say orange in Spanish? The word orange in Spanish is naranja. Naranja. For example, tengo un jersey naranja. Tengo un jersey naranja. I have an orange jumper. La fruta es naranja y muy dulce. La fruta es naranja y muy dulce. The fruit is orange and very sweet. Just like rosa, which meant pink, naranja stays the same in the feminine. In the plural, however, you have to add an extra S. So naranja becomes naranjas. Una flor naranja. Una flor naranja means an orange flower. Esos pantalones naranjas son muy brillantes. Esos pantalones naranjas son muy brillantes. Those orange trousers are very bright. Me gusta el color naranja en verano. Me gusta el color naranja en verano. I like the color orange in summer. So if you want to say orange in Spanish, you say naranja. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And don't forget to use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.